Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading Passage R, Kevin, from the Simple Comprehension series. Kevin worked in the phone department of Coles, a technology store on Liverpool Street. Most of Kevin's day was spent trying to explain the various specifications of each phone for sale. He would become frustrated, however, as soon as it became apparent that the price was the main concern for most customers. It was with some delight, then, that when Sarah entered the store and inquired about the RAM and megapixels of his favorite phone, he replied that she was talking to the right person. Questions. What does Kevin do for a job? What were most customers worried about when buying a new phone? Suggest a synonym or phrase for concern. Why was Kevin delighted when Sarah entered? Why did Kevin tell Sarah she was talking to the right person? Now let's check the answers. What does Kevin do for a job? Kevin worked in the phone department of Coles. Or we could say Kevin worked in a technology store. What were most customers worried about when buying a new phone? Most customers were worried about the price. We know that because it says it soon became apparent that price was the main concern for most customers. Suggest a synonym or phrase for that word, concern. We could say reason for buying, or worry, or factor. All good answers. Why was Kevin delighted when Sarah entered? Well, Sarah didn't inquire about price. Sarah inquired about RAM and megapixels. So we could say that Sarah asked not about price, but technical specifications or questions. Why did Kevin tell Sarah she was talking to the right person? Well, Kevin knew a lot about phones, and he worked in the technical department of the department store. Thank you for your time. How did you go?